Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Copy.ai to make a long video script. So first and foremost, you have to go to www.copy.ai, and then you have to create an account if you don't have. So you can create an account using your Google account, Microsoft account, your email address, and then password. So once you have your account, it will take you directly to this Copy.ai or Copy.ai dashboard or interface. To start, what you're going to do is you have to tap on this create new right here. You will see three options, but you have to click on the chat option below. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is creating the chat. So as you can see, you can use the real-time search. You can summarize any news, articles, blogs. You can also ask Copy.ai to create long-form content for you, and also this brainstorm ideas feature. But going directly to our main topic or tutorial, you can just scroll down here, tap this empty box, and then create or use that specific or detailed prompt. For example, write a 10-minute video script on the topic how to build self-discipline, include an engaging hook, intro, 5 main tips with explanations and examples, and a powerful conclusion. Tone, motivational, and friendly. You can add more prompts if you want, but actually, another thing is that if you're using the basic version, you can only use up to 2,000 words. If you want to use more, then you just need to upgrade your plan to do that. So I just want, for the meantime, since our tutorial is all about long video, let's just say suppose this one is like 30-minute video, but I just put 3 minutes. So suppose it's a 30-minute video right here. And then you can add more prompt if you want. Then you can also add target audience. For example, target audience like 18 to 50 years old or 40 to 50 years old. Everything is up to you. Okay, so once you're okay with this, with your prompt, then what you're going to do next is press enter or tap this one. Okay, so press this, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. I have used 1,366 words. So here's the result, okay? And if you are not yet satisfied with the result, and then don't worry, you can add more prompts to Copy.ai. So step 2, you can now break it into segments. For example, now write just the hook and intro for the script, or write the middle 3 tips and make them more story-based, or expand each tip into 1 minute of dialogue. Everything is up to you. If you want to make it longer, you can ask Copy.ai to make a longer version of this one. Okay, now you can just select from any of this. Okay, so for example, I want to add the number 1 prompt right here. Press enter. Now step 3, you can use templates for brainstorming or structure. So if you're using the upgraded version, you will see here templates, built-in templates. For example, blog post wizard or social media content. You can just ask, you can build outlines, create talking points, turn blog style into scripts. If you're using the upgraded version, you will see the template right here. But for the meantime, let's just create a long video using this basic feature right here. Once done, tap on the enter. Now step 4, you can polish with follow-up prompts. So suppose that we have added it right here. You can ask more prompts. For example, you can say make this more conversational, add a relatable story to the intro, include a call to action or CTA asking viewers to subscribe, make the conclusion more emotional and inspiring. So you can choose from any, or you can add this all. But as you can see, I can't add that one since I'm just using the basic version. So maybe I'll just add the first one right here, and let's see what will be the result. Press enter and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now you can now have your script, use it as a voiceover for your video, break it down into short form content. You can use CapCut for voice recording and also editing, turn into blog posts, newsletter, or carousel posts. So basically, this is it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.